Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Monday, June 12. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says plans are far advanced for work to begin on a bypass for the city of Montego Bay. He points out that Minister Horace Chang was in China last week working to secure the financing to construct the road.
We agree that the city has outgrown the infrastructure and it is becoming a limiting factor now, the infrastructure. We expect that building the road will free up Montego Bay and make it far more easier for citizens to navigate the city and open up new corridors for residential and commercial building.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave the update on Friday at a Build Expo and conference. He said greater use of new technology in the construction industry would make housing more accessible to Jamaicans.
I believe that the introduction of technology could also bring down the price point for the housing solutions, make them more affordable. I also believe that technology can go a far way in the building process itself so that we can build housing solutions much faster.
Government is moving ahead with plans to rehabilitate the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine. Speaking with JIS News during a tour of the hospital on Friday, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said the technical work for the project would be undertaken this year.
That is to look at the facility, look at where the expansion needs to take place, the operating theatres, additional bed space, and so on, and do the necessary design for that work. And then as we move into the next financial year, we secure the funding to do the actual expansion.
The objective is to upgrade Spanish Town Hospital from a Type B to a Type A facility. As a Type A facility, the hospital would be equipped to provide comprehensive secondary and tertiary health care services and serve as one of the final referral points for public and private hospitals. Preliminary works are progressing well on the new Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade office being built at the old Myrtle Bank site on the Kingston waterfront. Overall project manager, the Urban Development Corporation, is reporting that the coastal protection structure is being installed and the substructure and foundation for the annex building has been completed. The foundation for the main building is scheduled for completion by the end of June 2017, with the entire project set for completion in December 2018. The $3.968 billion project is being funded primarily through a grant from the People's Republic of China, with the Jamaican government providing funds for the coastal protection, drainage, and external works. It involves the construction of a main office building consisting of 11 floors and a 2-floor annexed building that will be used for dining, entertainment, and other ancillary facilities. The Caribbean Maritime University, CMU, has officially launched its dual apprenticeship and internship program, which will be globally certified. The program, which will offer internship in Germany for CMU students, will initially offer apprenticeship for welders and fitters who will staff dry dock operations in Jamaica. The program is open to students studying to become seafarers and those pursuing bachelor's degrees in maritime transportation and marine engineering.
We are dedicated to bring back a national apprenticeship scheme that we all can be proud of and that our young people can tremendously benefit. And this is the sort of model.
The apprentices who are now in the program will go on to do 3 years where they will work and get academic training and a stipend.
But at the end of the day, they will be globally certified so they can be employed anywhere in the world.
The apprenticeship program is being developed by the CMU in partnership with Heart Trust NTA, the Education Ministry, German Ship Repair Jamaica Limited, and other partners. And finally, Sport Minister Olivia Grange is assuring the country that government will be following through on commitments to preserve the legacy of sprint champ Usain Bolt long after his retirement from competitive athletics.
His legacy will continue. Although he's not running on the track competitively, he will be doing things that will enhance the development of track and field. And of course, we are partnering with Usain Bolt, Team Usain, and the University of the West Indies to establish a sports sciences facility that will assist our athletes.
Minister Grange was speaking with JIS News on Saturday as Bolt bid farewell to a home crowd in the National Stadium when he ran the 100-meter salute to a legend race during the Jamaica National Grand Prix. It was his final competitive performance on Jamaican soil and took place in a culturally diverse and festive atmosphere. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.